Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on trying to help somebody put stitches for the boy's name for this coach plaque. I do not know how big the plaque's going to be. It's going to be bigger than 3x3. Maybe not, because if it's that, these names are really not going to be readable. But what we could do, I just took one of the columns. We got 45 objects. That line is about half of them. So if I take the pick tool, take half of them, or they're about, I got 24 and 21. So, you can move one of them over. This placement doesn't matter. He drew these stitches. I took the fill out and ungrouped them. What we could do is take part of these names and rotate them 45 degrees. Then just one at a time, pick a name, shift select the box and go EC. Once you get a little happy, and you could actually probably write a macro. Whoop. Make sure you just get one name. Shifts, I deleted that. Let me back up. I hit the wrong letter. And some of them might have to be adjusted. But if you take the boxes away and just use the names for stitches, so let's think about that. Let me back up completely. Let's group these together, Control G. I don't think it's going to mess us up. Yeah, it probably is, because we're not going to be able to grab that individual box. So you're going to have to go and just delete the boxes. So name, shift select, EC, RCE, name, EC. And there's probably a macro that you could write, shift select, EC. Then take the other ones and rotate them a negative 45 degrees. And we'll get them a little closer and take that first name, shift select, EC, name, shift select, EC, name, shift select, EC, or CE, doesn't matter what order you put it in. That would be pretty cool. My only concern is that the text is going to be too little. And if you look, here's a way, let's say we've done them all and we want to get rid, let me just delete all that. We've done all these and we don't want to painstakingly go through and delete the boxes. If we go to view, I think it's under view, no, it's under edit, select all text, and then just nudge the text out of the way and delete your lines. Then you would have the names as stitches. Now, if you put your stitches close together, I think this would actually work better than the way I did it. I'm going to hit F4 on the keyboard to bring it back. I think you could do more boxes, and these aren't going to be as close together. Now, whether you can, and I might even try that, and I won't make a video for it, you should be able to group this together and envelope it into that curve too. Well, you could definitely have enveloped or put the curve, those stitches in the envelope, and then just put them in there. Anyway, just an idea. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.